Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Witcher 3. To begin, select the story and sword difficulty setting for a balanced and enjoyable experience. Focus on the main story quests first. They provide significant experience points and unlock crucial skills faster. Always keep an eye on your minimap for quest objectives and points of interest. This approach helps you grasp the core mechanics without feeling overwhelmed, making your initial hours much smoother. Combat in The Witcher 3 is all about timing and preparation. Practice dodging and rolling to evade enemy strikes, as this is key to survival. Remember to use your Witcher senses frequently. They reveal hidden treasures, important clues, and enemy vulnerabilities. Before a tough fight, apply the correct sword oil and cast the right signs, like Quen for defense or Igni for fire damage, to gain a significant edge. For character progression, strategically invest your skill points into abilities that complement your preferred combat style, whether it's swordplay, signs, or alchemy. Don't ignore side quests and monster contracts. They offer valuable experience and loot, but stick to those within 2 levels of your current rank to avoid overly difficult encounters. Regularly craft and upgrade your gear to ensure Geralt remains powerful enough to face increasing challenges. To truly master The Witcher 3, venture out and explore those question marks on your map. They often lead to valuable loot, extra experience, and exciting discoveries. Don't forget the power of alchemy. Brewing potions and decoctions can provide powerful temporary buffs that turn the tide in difficult battles. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.